What's going on, guys? Riley here. Today we are at Royal Purple Raceway in Houston, Texas. We're going to be taking the Hellcat out and doing some passes. I got my pit crew here. We got Zach and Kyle.
What up, mate?
So we're out here at a private track event, and so there's like 15 of us here. So not really a huge track day, but that's great for us. We get the track basically to ourselves. So it's good for A, filming, and B, great for doing runs here with the Hellcat. Also, probably the coolest thing about this track day is that the weather is perfect. It is sunny, not a cloud in the sky, like 40-something degrees. I mean, the DA, I don't know what it is right now, but it's got to be great. We're at sea level. This should be a good day. We got the Mickey Thompsons hooked up on the Hellcat back there, so we're gonna go make pass number 1. Zach, what do you think?
10-8.
10-8, okay. Kyle?
I'm saying 10-9.
B. Mason?
Hey!
What am I gonna run today?
Happening? I'm gonna say a 10.67. Sounds good enough.
Wow, I feel really bad if I don't run a 10.
You're in the 10s, brother. Trust me.
Oh man. Yeah. For those who don't know, B. Mason on YouTube, go check his channel out.
What's happening, everybody?
He's got this beautiful white 392 Challenger back behind me, and you just ran an 11.5? 11.58 with just some bolt-ons on a 392. I mean, that's a fast car. So we'll go see if I can beat that. So just a quick overview of the quote-unquote modifications to the Hellcat. We have a JLT oil catch can. We have a JLT cold air intake, which I installed about 9 hours ago. You guys will see a full video on that, probably the next video that gets uploaded. So we're also gonna be testing out that intake. We have a rear differential brace on the rear diff, just basically so it prevents wheel hop. And then as far as the wheel and tire setup, we're on some 18-inch Bravado Tributes. They're 18x10s and some 305 Mickey Thompson ET Street Rs. So Kyle's doing a great job taping me off here. And I can't wait to see what this thing's gonna do today, and let's go get our first pass done. Man, I'm pumped. Two people just ran, and they both set their best, personal best. So the weather is proving to be good, and man, I'm excited. Let's go, baby! Woo! Wow, okay, yeah, that's fast.
Yes! Woo, boy! 10-8. Let's go.
Oh my God, my 0 to 60 was a 3 second. I did a 3.0 0 to 60. Holy crap. Thank you, sir. Oh my God. Yes. First pass. Yes, baby. 10-8. Woo. Oh my God, that's unreal.
Well, RPPRODUCTIONS, your first 10-second pass. How you feel?
Hell yeah, dude. I can't get my helmet off, but hell yeah. Woo.
I called it on the dot, bro. I had confidence.
Check this out. So 1088 out, basically 127, but my 60 foot was only a 1.7. I should be doing like 1.5s.
Yeah.
That was a soft launch.
Dude, that's whew.
And it just dead hooked too. I was a little bit scared. I was like, it might spin.
Nah, you hooked and booked, bro. So
we're gonna let the car cool off for a little bit, and we're gonna watch some racing. But man, I'm so happy. To all of you that said I would never run a 10, a stock Hellcat can't run in the 10s. I mean, there you go, first pass, just right off the street. I drove here on those tires. I mean, the front tires are still stock. I mean, that's just incredible. I'm so happy, and I know she's got more in her, but 10.8, man, that's awesome. 392 at 118 miles per hour. In the Hellcat. Oh.
Riley, you got back in the car.
Oh.
Back in the car.
All right, y'all. Well, we're gonna make pass number 2 now. We'll see how she does. This thing is fast. Wow. Your boy just set a new personal best. Again, 1072 at 127.64. I got almost a whole miles per hour out of that and dropped a 10th. 60 foot was a 1.6. So I got a lot better, but it still has more in it. This thing is incredible. This is a bone stock Hellcat. I mean, it's got an intake and a muffler delete, like whatever, that's not gonna do anything. And you're running 10.7s when you slap a drag radial on it. Let's go! Oh my god, this thing is so silly. I love it. You know, to everybody in the comments that's gonna sit here and tell me, oh, that thing needs a tune, a pulley, it doesn't need any of that. This thing is plenty fast. You put a good tire on a Hellcat, you will have so much fun. I mean, yes, of course, it's always nice going faster, but personally, I think I have more fun trying to beat personal best, and it's even more impressive that I'm doing all this with a stock Hellcat. I mean, just to, you know, push the boundaries and see what a stock Hellcat can really do. I mean, this is just, I'm mind blown. Well, it looks like that one was about the same as the previous one, although I did get my 60 foot into the 1.5 range, so that's good. We'll go park the car, I'll show you the time slips, and I'll also show you what the personal best are here on the gauge cluster. Let's go, baby!
Oh yeah, dude, congrats, what do you think?
Stock Hellcat, baby!
Oh, yeah. What was it? What was your, let's see.
1076 at 127.
Hell yeah, what was your 60 foot?
I think the other one was actually even a better, but the 60 foot on that one was a 1.5. The other one was a 1.6. Okay. I mean, dude, that's consistent right there. 2 10.7s, 127. I mean, dude, that's impressive, dude.
That's awesome, man.
What? Couple 10 sales?
Just a couple 10 sales.
Dude, that's like identical.
All right, so just to show you guys my personal best here on the gauge cluster, 0 to 60, 2.9 seconds. That is something I've wanted to see for forever. My 0 to 100 was a 6.7 as my best. I pulled 1.24 G's on my launch. A single cab ram with bolt-ons. Damn. .1246 at 1:18.67. right, so I'm about to make my final pass of the day, and I'm gonna race B Mason in his SRT Challenger that's been running like low 11s today, but I'm going to race him in 500 horsepower mode. And I just changed it to 500 horsepower mode, which is basically the black key. And I've just realized that it changes my transmission to where I can't use the track setting for transmission, so it goes to street, which is interesting. So we're having 500 horsepower mode. We're gonna turn traction control and stability control all the way off. I don't know what this thing's gonna run with the black key, but there's only one way to find out. So let's go see what she does.
What do you run? 11.5. Okay. 11.5 at 113.
That's pretty quick.
Damn, he was right there the whole time. He was right on my rear quarter panel the entire race. Wow, this thing did great. Oh my God, this thing just ran at 11.5 with the black key. What? On the black key. I promise there's no trickery here. I mean, the car ran at 11.5. So like, I'm not lying. It's on the black key mode. That's insane. Wow. Oh, he's got me. Come on, go. He got me. 0 to 60 here with the black key, 3.7 seconds. I mean, dude, a Hellcat with the black key is no joke. That's crazy. All right, well, that one was not nearly as good. I ran an 11.9. I don't really know why. Maybe it got heat soaked sitting there, because to me, I launched it the same as the first one, and it was 0.4 of a second slower, but still a good run. He ran an 11.4, which I think that's one of his personal best. Shoot, an 11.4 to 392, that's awesome. Nice job.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
I'll tell you what, that thing sounds badass. Your car on the burnout?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. You're like, shit, Riley. You're not supposed to spray as you're doing the burnout. No, it sounds great. That's awesome that they run that good on the black key.
I know, who would have thought?
Who would have thought, right? You know what's funny? They're going, okay, yeah, we'll give you the black key. It won't be as fast. It's just a mid 11-second car on the black key.
Right.
Don't worry about it. You'll be all right. That's awesome, man.
That's
Good
pretty
run.
cool.
That was a lot of fun.
That was fun. All right, well, I would say that concludes my racing for today. 5 passes total, three of which were on the red key, 2 of which on the black key. All of them were honestly just great passes. I couldn't ask for anything better. Great weather, great track prep, great people, great cars. I mean, this was just such an awesome event. And I mean, shoot, to have an event like this with all those things perfect, I mean, that's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So just what a great day. Car did great. Hellcat, just so happy. Such a good car. And I couldn't ask for anything better. All right, so most of you will remember the first time that I raced this car, it was at Lone Star Mopar Fest, and the conditions that day were terrible. The track prep wasn't that great, and it was like 100 degrees or something silly. I ran an 11.6. Well, I just ran an 11.5 with the black key today. I mean, that's impressive. So that right there just goes to show you guys that track prep, and especially density altitude, DA, that is a huge factor in your quarter mile times. So if for whatever reason you ever see a car running maybe exceptionally slow or something, like a lot of times cars that race in like Colorado and high altitude, they'll run a lot slower times because DA has a huge factor on the times. Today was great DA, ran great times. So kind of funny how that works. So at the track rental event, we've had quite a few records that have been broken. The Ram 1500 record has been broken. The untouched, unopened 392 record's been broken. That was a 11.25 at almost 119 miles an hour.
you've got the unopened 392 full interior stock wheel record. Now I know it's kind of getting into the micro records, I get it, but you know what, I'll take it. 1139 at almost 119 miles per hour. And then we've got the naturally aspirated Trailblazer SS record that was broken today at 11.6. Can't remember the mile per hour. So quite a few records are falling today. Stoked. You couldn't ask for better conditions than this. So what can I say? I'm going to turn it back over to Riley, but y'all have a great one. Adios.
So that's 4 records?
4 records.
15 cars?
Yeah.
About? That's crazy.
Yep.
All right, guys, well, that pretty much sums up today's video. So ran some great times in the Hellcat, got to watch other people run some great times. At least 4 records were broken as far as I know. So yeah, it was a pretty fun day. Also, if you were wondering how the tape job held up, thanks to Kyle, that, my friends, is why you should just get some painter's tape and put it behind your tires. And obviously, as you can see, we swapped back to the stock wheels and tires, so I don't have to drive with the radials home. But seriously, a huge shout out to my pit crew, Kyle and Zach. You guys helped out a lot today, so thank y'all. And a lot of the video you guys saw today was filmed by them, so I owe you guys a lot.
If it's bad, I'm sorry.
I'm not. But thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see y'all in the next one. Take it easy.